Hello everyone, welcome to the Elliottwave-showcase.com YouTube channel. My name is Henry and today is September the 5th. Let's take a look here at the chart of the day for today, which is the Russell. Over here, Russell futures 60 minutes time frame. Shorter cycle here, as we can see. Pretty strong reaction across the market earlier today. And it looks to have already ready to extend on the upside again. In the case of the Russell, it is going to be ending with 5, and then that should also end with 5 in blue and with 3 in black. So it will be a with 3 in a bigger sort of cycle, right? With 3 in the bigger cycle. Now let's take a look at a couple of things here. Now first of all, we do need to break above that previous with 3 to confirm the view. But if you look at the entire market, where you see the Dow and the SPX looks pretty strong, it's almost taking this out, the previous peak out, then likely it is going to do it, right? Now in terms of target higher, we're going to be looking for 1.236 minimum target external retracement, which is going to be 24.15. Usually is going to be sort of the minimum target over there for the with 5. Okay, now let's just zoom out on the 4-hour time frame and see where we are. So this is with 3 and this is with 4, right? This is with 2 and this is with 1. So you're looking for a diagonal structure here potentially. So there's an overlap here, but that should be okay in a diagonal, right? And you're going to be ending with 5 here, and then that will again end with 5 in blue and with 3 in red. So 5 in blue and 3 in red. So let's just focus on the 5 in blue here, right? So the starting point of the rally in the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is right here. So that will be a 4 in blue here, right? So basically we're going to be ending this cycle at the least after we make a new high above here, and then at minimum we can get a 3-race pullback, which is correcting this entire rally from August. That's at minimum. We're going to see something like this once we finish this cycle. And then if we are also going to be ending 3 in black right here, then that means we're going to be correcting even larger degree, not just simply correcting this, but correcting this 3 in black. Basically is a 3 in black all the way from April 2025 low. So you're going to be doing at least a 3-race pullback, correcting the entire, not the entire rally, but depending on where you put 1 and 2, right? You can put 1 and 2 here, for example, then it's going to be 1 and 2 here, then it's going to be correcting the entire with 3 over there, right? Regardless whether it is a correction, a larger degree correction or not, at minimum after you finish the 5 ways up, right? At minimum after you finish a 5 ways up from the August, then you are looking for a 3-race pullback to correct this rally at minimum, right? Which potentially can be a bigger pullback if that is a wave 4, like what we are suggesting here with 4 in black degree. Now is it a sell? Obviously not, because indices remains bullish, and so you don't trade against the trend as always, right? But that tells you that we are nearing yet another pullback again once we make a marginal high here. But in the shorter cycle, we should be likely extending higher still with the minimum target towards 24.15, right? Now here is the general structure. We're going to be in a diagonal. Now we're diagonal but within the wave 5, right? So we're going to be ending with 5 in red here. So within wave 5 you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but the 1 and the 4 overlaps here, which is a characteristic of a diagonal, right? Which is exactly what we got here. The 1 and the 4 overlaps here. Now okay, so This 5 here doesn't have an overlap, 4 in 1, but I think 5 in blue is the one that has an overlap between 4 in red and 1 in red here. So there's an overlap there, which is okay as a diagonal. So you will draw something like this to show that it is a diagonal. Okay, so that's the update here for today. As always, if you want to get more updates about the Russell or any other indices we cover, stocks and Forex commodities, you can check our service. We have 14 days trial. Use the link in the description of the video. Also, make sure you subscribe our YouTube channel and turn on all notifications to get the latest update in chart of the day and other instrument. All right, so see you all again next time, and have a nice day, everyone.